Why async pipe in Angular? In Angular, the async pipe is a built-in pipe that allows you to subscribe to and automatically unwrap an asynchronous data source, such as an observable or promise. Using the async pipe in your template simplifies your code by eliminating the need to manually subscribe to and unsubscribe from the data source. Instead, you can simply pass the observable or promise to the async pipe, and it will subscribe to the data source for you and automatically update the view whenever new data arrives. The async pipe in Angular provides several benefits, including: the first benefit is simplified code. Using the async pipe can simplify your code by eliminating the need for manually subscribing and unsubscribing from the data source. The second benefit is automatic change detection. The async pipe automatically triggers change detection when new data is emitted from the data source, so you don't have to manually trigger it yourself. The third benefit is improved performance. The async pipe improves performance by reducing the number of unnecessary change detection cycles. Since the async pipe only triggers change detection when new data is emitted from the data source, it avoids unnecessary change detection cycles that can degrade performance. The fourth benefit is better error handling. The async pipe handles errors more gracefully than manual subscription. When an error occurs in the data source, the async pipe unsubscribes from the data source and marks the observable as errored, which can be helpful for debugging and error handling. Here is an example of using the async pipe with an observable. In this example, my observable is an observable that emits some data over time. The async pipe subscribes to the observable and returns the latest value emitted by the observable. The *ngif directive ensures that the template is only rendered when my data is truthy. By using the async pipe, you don't have to manually subscribe to the observable in your component code, and Angular takes care of unsubscribing from the observable when the component is destroyed. Overall, the async pipe is a powerful tool in Angular that simplifies your code, improves performance, and makes error handling easier.